Lex, is this even necessary? Why are we traveling this early?
It's not early, Sam. It's just 6 in the morning. Trust me, this ride is gonna be awesome without any issues. Uh-oh,
What happened?
no fuel.
Is this your awesome ride without any problem, right?
Luckily, there's a petrol bunk here.
Yeah, but this place looks abandoned.
Let's see if someone's up there. Give it to me. Huh?
I don't think it's a good idea. Let's just go back.
You have entered into the unreal world. Your life consists of four important factors for the sake of survival. Inner peace, love, yin-yang, generosity. Be warned, don't be greedy. First, you need to find inner peace to move to next stage of your lives.
What have you done? This is ridiculous. What if we get stuck here forever?
Don't worry, we'll be alright. Trust me. Now just follow me.
Stop!
Hey Sam, did you see that? As soon as we touched the symbol, we got teleported here.
Guess you're right. There should be some meaning behind this.
So, we should find such symbols to get out of here.
Now, try finding the symbol of love. Now the symbol of Yin Yang. Now is the tough part. Try finding the symbol of generosity. Remember, being greedy may not have happy endings. Keep that in mind.
Macha, don't touch the symbol of greed.
There's no other way to get out of here, so let's give it a try.
You have chosen greed. Greed kills the meaning of human life. So, you can't be teleported anymore in the journey of life. Run for your life or the greed will kill you.
Hey, look there. Let's just run.